Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over how to make a superfood smoothie. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, today I'm about to give y'all my recipe, my superfood smoothie. Every morning after I eat my breakfast, I make me one of these. So I just want to share my recipe with y'all. If y'all ever feel sick, or if y'all ever have stomach problems, headaches, any of that, I'm about to share how to get all the vitamins, nutrients, the protein, everything. It's really a miracle health tonic. You know, anytime you get sick, you know, anytime you want to go on a little health run, stop eating so much heavy food, try this out. So first thing you need, right? First thing you need a magic bullet. Buy this at Walmart, Amazon, cheap. It's done like $25, right? Get you a magic bullet. It come with all of the accessories you need, you know. Next, you gonna need this, right? And this, specifically this brand, right? A black seed oil from Gangsta Holistic, right? This black seed oil has the highest concentration of the active ingredient, thymoquinone. This black seed oil has the highest concentration of the active ingredient at a level 3.6. So y'all gotta use this black seed oil specifically. Next, you need to get some type of protein, any type of protein you like. I like this organic protein plus superfood. That's how you can make you a superfood smoothie, and you know, get these miracle tonic benefits from the black seed oil. Next, you're gonna need some apple cider vinegar, right? You're gonna need this. Y'all see I use the whole bottle. I'll be doing this every morning. You know, I like shaking it up. Make sure you get everything, don't have nothing left. You know, get a high concentration of that apple cider vinegar. You gotta shake this up every time you use it. So we got the apple cider vinegar. After that, you need some juice, right? And this is what I like to use: pineapple, orange, or banana juice. So you need some juice, and you mix all of this up. Now I'm about to do this live on camera with y'all and show y'all the process. All right, so first, you know, you get your crafted smoothie blend, right? This is dough. All right, you can find this at any grocery store. You know, you get your crafted smoothie blend. Open that up. All right, open that up. Then after that, you take your black seed oil, right? And this black seed oil come with a dropper. So drop a nice amount of black seed oil on that. Really just about 5 or 6 drops. Next, you want to dump your protein on top. Now this got over 50 organic superfoods in it. As you can see, over 50 organic superfoods each serving. Yeah, get a whole cup of that. Dump that in there. Next, you get your apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, y'all know, got some protein enzymes in there, stuff we need. How I normally do it, I just pour it in a cap. You know, I like to know that it's in there, mixed with all this extra stuff, so I pour at least 4 caps of apple cider vinegar on top. This stuff potent right here. And next, you top it off with whatever juice you want. You can use orange juice. I'll just use pineapple, orange, and banana. Sometimes I use lemonade too. Right. After you do that, you put your magic bullet top on. And then you see how it look, you gotta shake it. Right, blend it all up, mix it all up. Mix up your Miracle Tonic, your Superfood smoothie, whatever you want to call it. Then after that, you want to get your magic bullet, right? Put it on the magic bullet, and then it's the magic. Take it off. You know, we got a real good texture. You know, when you're making a smoothie, you want to add a lot of juice. If you don't add a lot of juice, it's going to be hard to blend it. I like blending it. I want a real liquid consistency. I like a liquid consistency so it break down and it get in your bloodstream faster. All the nutrients and vitamins can go to where they need to go. Alright, so now we got our Superfood Miracle Tonic smoothie, right? After this, all right, you just go get you a cup, get you that cup, and hold on. All right. Real good consistency. So y'all can see the level of consistency, you know. Shit good. Then you pour it out. That's how your smoothie should look. That's how your Miracle Tonic Superfood smoothie should look, man. So, Yon World Superfood smoothies, man.